But I'm sure everyone wants to know, you kind of saw me kind of zip around the tool. What was your learning curve like, and how easy was this to adopt?
Yeah, I would say a few weeks, maybe 3, 4 weeks. Four is probably pushing it. I think after seeing like 1, 2 workflow examples that Ethan and others helped put together, it was actually fairly easy to use the back end of DataBlend to set things up. I think if anyone is an admin already in Adaptive, it's nothing more complicated than
Mhm.
that once you get used to the sections to update. And then especially if you're using the reporting features, if you feel like that's your main use case, I think that's even easier. Like you can set up almost all of that just in Google Sheets. Those screens are fairly intuitive. There's probably maybe a week or so just getting used to
Right.
grabbing the right fields. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no, on the data exports and reports, I would actually, it's good to hear that you thought that, a pretty quick learning curve, a week or so. I mean, a lot of that comes down to knowing where your data is and what you want to
Yeah.
report on, anything that is a little bit different. And then, the 3 weeks you're talking on the full end to end. So sort of that last use case, which I have
Yeah.
to commend Peter for being a very self-sufficient user. Same as Adaptive, customers out there, there's all sorts of differing levels where do you have a consultant that helps you or do you do it all yourself? Kind of what I showed end to end. Peter is doing all of that himself. So, it is a little bit more knowledge of where the data is going in Adaptive, how to map it, how to make it all work.
Yeah.
But great to hear. And, measuring success in weeks, not months or years is always great to hear.